So this is a finished installation of 14 panels. Also got the had installed pigeon proofing all the way around the rear. Not sure if you can see that. It's pretty neat. So yesterday we did a video, before video, showing you where the cable's going to go. We had a chat with the customer. He just bought the property. He didn't want cables on show, well, as much as we could, cables on show. So we had to try and minimise that as much as we could. Anyway, we decided to go this route, which I think looks pretty neat, looking at it from here. So we suggested maybe going down the back side of the downpipe just there. And then what it is you've got a little void which is just going across this part here of the garage. It's got a bedroom above, so we couldn't go sort of up, over and back down again, because it's got a bedroom. Obviously ideally, if that wasn't a bedroom, we could have just come straight down the gable end and into the roof and dropped the cables down, but no, it's a used bedroom. There's no access to the top part of the loft, so we couldn't go top. So the only void really is just this little section here. There's no void at the other side because there's no hatch to get access to it. So what we decided is we'll come down the back side of the drain pipe, through this void to this, over this way, and then I decided to go underneath the floor because there was a void underneath the bedroom, and then I drilled an access point in the garage to get my hand in to grab the rod and then drop that down to the inverter, which in the end I'm quite happy with. We'll show you around the garage where the Tesla's been installed, Powerwall, gateway and the inverter. So we'll head over there now. So the second option really, if I couldn't get underneath the floor, I would have had to come out at this point and then I'd conduit going straight across and then into the garage at the far end. But I'm quite happy I managed to get underneath there because it does give it a nice look. So this is the setup. So you've got, at the top you've got your gateway, bottom you've got your power wall, on the left hand side you've got a solar inverter, which is a Solis inverter. You've got an AC isolation point for the battery, AC isolation point for the solar. You've got a DC switch from the panels into the inverter, which then converts the DC to AC. You've got all your switches, your main fuse, 100 amp main fuse cut out in there. You've got your RCBO for the solar, RCBO for the battery. So you've got your double pole isolation point in there for both systems. You've got your solar PV generation meter in there as well. And also we managed to get a decent reading, which I'm quite happy with. The earth rod down here, got a decent reading down there, so I'm quite happy there. Managed to drill on an angle into the meter cupboard, which is sort of up there, and then drilled straight into the back of the gateway for the tails. So yeah, I'm quite happy with that, and I think the customer is over the moon with it.